Good day, community. Our character trait for today is encouragement. What is the meaning of encouragement? Being someone who encourages means that God comforts and helps me feel better when I am sad. With a kind word or deed, I can help others feel glad. Where can you find this character trait? This character trait is found in Psalm chapter 18, verse 32. It is God who gives me courage and strength and makes my way perfect. This character trait is shown in the story when Jacob had a special dream. Now, let me tell you the story. Jacob traveled until his feet ached. It's getting dark. I need a place to sleep. This rock will do for my pillow. While he slept, God gave him a dream of angels walking up and down a big stairway to heaven. God encouraged him and said, I am watching over you, Jacob, and I will still bless you. Jacob woke up and said, God is with me even if I don't know it. He took the rock that he has used as a pillow and set it upright as a reminder of God's love and care, even after he cheated his brother. Can kids like us be an encourager? Of course we can. We can be an encourager to our friends by cheering them up when they are lonely and frustrated. We can also be an encourager to people older than us. Like our parents, we encourage them by appreciating them once in a while for all the hard work they are doing for the family. Again, the character trait for today is encouragement, and also a reminder. Let's be a ray of hope for others and be the encourager that God wants us to be. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.